Okay, it's October 21st. Still, it's a Tuesday. Tuesday afternoon. It's gonna be 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's 1:56, and actually 17:59 UTC or 58. I'm not too sure. Freaking blind as it is. And I'm over here in 10 meters. 10 meters is still open. Great. I'm still testing my being out. I got the amplifier going again. I'm gonna make another contact. I believe this contest weekend is gonna be great. The band stays the way it is right now. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be one crazy weekend. Everything's quiet though. Okay, I'm looking around.
Thank you for the call, and you have a pleasant day out there in Texas. W5RD, this is GM4RDX. Bye-bye.
Yeah, Whiskey Oscar to Echo. WO2E.
It's October 21.
Yeah, Whiskey Oscar to Echo. Whiskey Ontario to Echo. Whiskey Ontario to Echo. That's correct, my man. You're 5'9" into Novice, Pennsylvania. Go ahead. Oh, great. Listen, I'll catch you in the contest, man. Good luck.
Thank you for the call. 73. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.
7-3.
Flight 4, radio, Delta X-ray. Feel good? Kilo Whiskey 7, Echo Tango.
Let's see what else comes in.
Thank you, J73. Delta Lima 3 Kilo Oscar 59 Plaza Zoo.
Okay, he's from Madeira Island. Charlie Tango 9 Alpha Bravo Oscar.
Charlie Tokyo 9
What's
Alpha
this?
Bravo Oscar.
Whiskey Oscar to Echo.
Whiskey Oscar 1 Tango 59. Oscar 1. You are dead. Charlie Tango 9 Alpha Bravo Oscar.
Whiskey Ontario to Echo. Whiskey Ontario to Echo.
Whiskey Ontario to Echo 59.
Thank you. 5'9" to Pennsylvania. Good luck.
Thank you, 73. Charlie Tango 9 Alpha Bravo Oscar.
That's Madeira Islands, and he's on the log. Let me see what. I tell you, 10 meters is crazy. You know, if 10 meters will stay open like this, almost 24 hours, like in 20 meters, it will be worth just getting an antenna dedicated for 10 meters only.
Doing a great job on the wire antenna for sure. Running here an ICOM 775 DSP, about 1 kW, 8 element monoband Yagi, sir.
Wow, 775. That radio is about 20 years old. That's a monster, though. That's a big radio. I couldn't afford the radio back then. Right now, you're probably getting for about $400,000. Tell you, a radio with a waterfall is such an advantage. You can actually see the activity right on the waterfall. It's a lazy man's dream. You don't have to hunt down nothing. You're looking at it. And if I had a mouse hooked up to my radio, all I gotta do is click. Anything on CW? Anything on CW? Let me look at 28 again. I'm looking at the cluster. Antigua Barbuda. Should I do a little CW? Oh, he's up. He's up. He's up. There you go. I got him. Wow, he got me quick. I was on the vertical. He's in the Caribbean, so makes no sense turning the whole entire beam for that, huh? Well, that's it.